What's up, everybody? It's Dave from Quarter Flips here. So I am at my storage unit, and a couple months ago a friend of mine got in touch and said, hey, do you want to buy my DVD collection? It's been in storage for a long time. I want to sell it. You seem to do a lot with DVDs. You want to buy it? $100 sight unseen? So I said, yes I do. Just based on the number that I knew would be there and what this person's tastes were, I figured I couldn't lose doing that sight unseen, so I loaded up my car with all the boxes. I brought them here, and today I'm going to go through them and grab the ones that I can sell. So a while back I went through and I scanned all of the barcodes on every DVD and every box that's in here. It was 19 boxes. And then over the past couple of months I've just been every once in a while plugging those barcode numbers into eBay and getting a sense of what each DVD is worth. Just incrementally got a big job done over a decent amount of time, and today I'm going to pull all those good DVDs and stack them up, bring them home in this box and get them listed, see how much money I've actually made on this deal. So there's nothing to wait for, I'm just going to get started. Okay, let's take a look at what I got. Pollock, PCU, Dr. Strangelove, Freejack, Easy Rider, River Runs Through It, Millennium, Phenomenon, Little Mermaid, UHF, Aladdin, History of the World Part 1, Blazing Saddles, Strange Days, Best of the Best, Fisher King, Portishead, Roseland, New York, Beautiful Girls, Robin Hood, Payback. This one, I'm going to have to spend some time to get those stickers off. Maybe it won't be sellable, actually. Reefer Madness and the Reefer Madness musical. Private Benjamin, Das Boot, John Carpenter Master of Fear Collection, Bruce Campbell versus Army of Darkness Director's Cut, Killing Zoe, Total Recall 2070, Little Shop of Horrors, Casino Royale, Powder, White Ghost Shivers, 2006 Flim Flam Follies, I don't know what this is, In the Mouth of Madness, 9/11 Filmmakers Commemorative DVD Collection, Word Wars, Knights of the South Bronx, Dark Star, Citizen Kane, Bubba Hotep, Thin Blue Line, One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest, Tron, Poltergeist, Child's Play, and Dr. Horrible's Sing-Along Blog. Nightmare Worlds 50 movie pack, brand new. History Channel's A Universe, seasons 1 and 2. Ringu, Planet Earth, a complete series. Sports Night, complete series. Martin Scorsese film collection. Rome, first and second season. Akira, Indiana Jones DVD set. Lethal Weapon, the complete series, at least up to that point. Band of Brothers, metal box. Ren and Stimpy Show, uncut. Supernatural, complete first season. Ali G Show, complete series. Dilbert, complete series. And Silent Greats, the ultimate collection. Buster Keaton, Charlie Chaplin. So these DVDs pulled out of this collection, it's probably about 20 to 25% of the DVDs that I bought. There's 60 or 61 DVDs here, and when they are all sold, I'm estimating that after shipping, I will make $410 on these DVDs. That's not too bad. I'm going to put these in this box and take them home so I can get them listed, and then all the rest of these DVDs in these other boxes, I'm going to be able to lot a bunch of those up in lots that make sense. Animation, horror, TV shows, and they'll sell for a little bit. I'll probably make another $100 off of them. So if a friend calls you up and says, want to buy my DVD collection, $100 sight unseen, it might be a good idea. And know if that's your thing. If you want to spend the time going through all this stuff, scanning barcodes, figuring out prices, listing, photographing, selling them, packing and shipping them, taking them to the post office. It's really a lot of work. But it's what I do. I don't care that it's a lot of work. In fact, I've actually been doing a lot of selling, so I will go show you that stuff, and then we will get out of here. Sold a book, The Gospel of Sri Ramakrishna. Abridged edition, translated into English. That one was $14.99, shipping included. Sold this Latch Hook Huggables frog for $18.99 plus shipping. And not just that, I also sold this Latch Hook Huggables bunny for $22.99, both of those together to the same person, shipping included. More closeout makeup. This is e.l.f. Gel and Powder Eyebrow Kit, 2 of them, medium, $4.99 plus shipping for those. Minas Tirith from Lord of the Rings: The Return of the King. This one I've already got wrapped up. It's like a bookend ring holder kind of thing. Came with the special edition DVD, and this sold for $39.99 plus shipping. Sold this Ralpartha Fairies miniature for $12.99 plus shipping. Sold some VHS. The Grifter sealed, $7.99. Independence Day with the lenticular cover, that went for $9.99. And this previous rental copy of an anime called Fire Tripper that went for $14.99. This one's a little odd. I've got this VHS Bruce Lee box set. Chinese Connection, Return of the Dragon, Fist of Fury, and Game of Death. I sold this for $14.99, shipping included. I've seen reports that this sells for a lot of money. Maybe brand new, although this is almost brand new, but not wrapped. I have not seen it to be true that this sells for a lot. And Star Wars. Yes, Star Wars. Doesn't say A New Hope on there anywhere. It's got that red triangle. Hi-Fi stereo. Not brand new, but very, very nice condition. $29.99, shipping included. And DVDs. Tideland from Terry Gilliam, $6.99. Romper Stomper with Russell Crowe, $7.99. The Adventures of Baron Munchausen, $7.99. The Firm, $7.99. Rocket Gibraltar with very young Macaulay Culkin, $9.99. The Makaha Sons live at the Hawaii Theater, $12.99. And Danny Kaye, The 5 Pennies, sealed copy, $14.99. Shipping included on all the media stuff. Camp Nowhere, $6.99. And The Heavenly Kid, $19.99. National Lampoon Presents Mr. Wong, $6.99. Summersby, $7.99. Enemy Mine, $9.99. Got a double feature of The Faculty and Phantoms. Phantoms is the movie in which Ben Affleck is the bomb. I put that in the description for this, and I think it's part of the reason why this sold. Do you know why I wrote that? Mention it in the comments. Horatio Hornblower set, that went for $17.99. And Beauty is Embarrassing, the Wayne White story, $19.99. Over on Discogs, this is the Bad Wizard CD called Number One Tonight, went for $3.99 plus shipping. Luddite Clone, The Arsonist and the Architect, that went for $4.99 plus shipping. Teenage Bottle Rocket, it came from the Shadow CD on Fat Records, that went for $11.99 plus shipping. And the Dawn of Orion CD, The Lust of Prophecies Undone, $19.99 plus shipping. Sold these 4 CDs together. Poison Idea, Dutch Courage, $5.99. Big Black, The Hammer Party, $6.99. Ceremony, Violence, $7.99. And T-Rex, The Slider, $7.99. All together, shipping on top. David Sedaris, The Ultimate Box Set. The box itself is a little rough on this one, but the CDs are fine. That went for $9.99 plus shipping. Sold this Stiff Records 4 CD box set for $17.99 plus shipping. Scars of Tomorrow, All Things Change CD. Self-released, this one went for $33.99 plus shipping. So this Operation Ivy Hectic EP on Lookout Records, this is just a fantastic classic 7-inch. This has the Laytonville address. There's 2 different addresses you can have here when you're talking about Lookout Records. This one went for $15.99 plus shipping. Echo and the Bunnymen, Songs to Learn and Sing LP. This one is quite trashed, but it's still nice. Nice enough to go for $19.99 plus shipping anyway. Sold the Sparks, History of Sparks LP for $13.99 plus shipping. The Stone Roses, I Want to Be Adored 12-inch, that went for $19.99. These 3 records went together. Norma Tanega, Walking My Cat Named Dog 7-inch, $1.99 for that one. Human League Dare LP, $11.99. And Soul Asylum, While You Were Out, $12.99. All 3 of those together, shipping on top. This is the Dangers 5 O'Clock Shadows at the Edge of the Western World 7-inch. That went for $4.99. And the Sinking Ships Disconnecting LP on green vinyl. That went for $15.99. Both of those together plus shipping. Whew! Dag nasty, can I say, on Discord Records. One of the ways you can tell Discord Records which pressing they are, because they pretty much usually look the same, is the postage paid price. This one says this album is $5 postage paid from Discord. It went for $29.99 plus shipping. The story of the exciting movie Conan the Barbarian, Thief, Warrior, Barbarian, King. This is a Peter Pan Records. This was an awesome find at the warehouse sale. That went for $19.99 plus shipping. And a copy of the Violent Femmes first LP, self-titled, a stone cold classic. This one is undeniable, probably one of the best records ever made. Even if you think you haven't heard this, you have probably heard something from this. $59.99 plus shipping. All right, that's it for today. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks.